It is another fantastic day here at Fun King Garage, but today Fun King Garage is in Lebanon, Tennessee. It is day 2 of Power Tour. Today we're going to take a little more time to show you what's going on inside that venue instead of just out here in the parking lot or at the parking lot of the hotel. It was about 5 hours to get here and then like another 42 hours to actually get in here because of the number of cars that have arrived all at the same time. It is absolutely brilliant. We're looking forward to getting in there, and I'm looking forward to taking you with. I'm gonna film us the whole time just doing this.
Please don't.
Just you and me.
I feel like I'm just you doing that.
Just you and me, just like this, the whole way through the venue. Everybody can see where we've been and not where we're going.
Yeah, no, that's...
Straight 6 with a turbo. That's die hard.
In the shop with us while you're racing. Correct. And now he's a truck driver that's winning. It's winner. Yeah, it's unbelievable. So fun little story about our NASCAR. I don't want to call it a wrong turn, but we got into a rock hole.
How you doing? Oh, that's amazing. My wife would love that. I would love to have a punch, please.
Yeah, I can do both.
Thank you. See that crowd?
Yeah.
That's Derek's tent.
That's...
You can't get to him anymore. You can't touch him. I'm glad I took the opportunities I did. is the end of day 2 and we've made it to the hotel, thank God, because we are absolutely exhausted. It was a beautiful drive between Bowling Green and Lebanon, Tennessee. All back roads, nice and windy through the mountains. We kept a decent speed, like there was no excessive speeds. So it was really, really nice. We ran with other Hot Rod Power Tour people for the entire trip. Quite a bit of traffic to get into the venue, and then even once we were on the property, they were routing us all the way around. It felt like we were stuck in traffic for like 2 hours once we got there, and it was definitely hot this afternoon, but we got some pretty decent coverage of the venue. I hope you've enjoyed seeing it, and we're gonna do it again tomorrow as we head out to Louisville, Kentucky. Okay. That's it. That's a wrap. That's a wrap of day 2. You gotta wait till tomorrow for day 3. Thanks for watching.